Alright, walk to the Graydon family. 5 miles later, we done made a lot of ground. We're gonna see what happens from here. They had a sign that said you're entering rattlesnake territory. So we're looking out for snakes on the side. But they all up in there. They all in there. They all in there. Thank y'all for rolling with us. Look at him, walk to the grate. Come on, keep up him here. Walk to the grate up there with a stick. The trail continues. Whew. It continues. Got a little soldier meal with me. Come on. Walk to the grave. You on that hiking trail still?
Yeah. My feet hurt so bad.
Yeah.
Are we still on the snake trail?
Well, yeah, the snakes were back there, but it's okay now. We almost there. Seems like we've been walking for days. CJ up there. I'm gonna carry you. Want me to carry you?
Yeah. I saved them.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're back. We made it. We made it to the closer end, and my feet is on fire. I got a hole in my pants. Whew.
Where's the car? Where's the car?
That's a good question. We here, but we don't know where the car.
Bro, he crying, bro.
Sheesh, where is the car? Is the question.
The car's not over.
It's down there.
We're not done yet.
Sheesh, who's break time?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
That means we've been walking like 10 miles. No. So
5.
hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that little bell for all. Peace.
Hit that thumbs down button. And get out of here. Like it's supposed to. Like my head is kind of dizzy.
I feel you.
You ain't
I'm
been
with it,
doing
too.
nothing.